station WXB91 will be up shortly.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Clearwater County Sheriff's Office. At 1:40 a.m. this morning, a train derailed. Tanker cars with the chemical anhydrous ammonia ruptured 1/2 mile west of Calmton near Jerry's truck stop. A toxic chemical cloud is drifting eastward towards the city of Calmton. Due to the toxic chemical cloud, emergency officials are recommending residents within 3 miles of the train accident immediately shelter in place. This includes the city of Calmton. For your safety, you should shelter in place. Turn off your furnaces and air handling systems, and if necessary, use large amounts of water from your shower, and breathe through wet washcloths. Shelter in place now. Stay inside until further notice. This message will be updated in 3 hours, or sooner if needed. For more information, tune the local news media. Please do not call 911, except for a serious emergency.